Okay, I'm back. Had a bit of a delay in working on the car with real work and real life and other cars getting in the way, but I'm back now and we're going to carry on putting the valance or sorting out the valance for the back of the Mexi there. I've got it on the bench here. I'll just turn the camera around and show you. Okay, here we are. The black one is obviously the new one, the red one is the old one. But the first thing to do is get rid of that exhaust cutout there, because the Mexi only has one tailpipe at this side. Don't need that, so I'm going to cut that out, cut a piece of the old valance out and weld it in. Right, I think the easiest thing is just to cut it square, probably up here and down there, and then cut the piece off that to match and sit it in, rather than trying to do a curve, because it's got a bit of a return on it as well. So I'll just cut that out, cut a matching square out of there and stick it in. So first things first, mark up where I'm going to cut and then cut it. Right, okay, got this all marked out with the tape where I'm going to cut it. So the next step is to cut along these lines and then take that piece that I've cut out, lie it on this and draw around it and then cut out from there. Okay, we're just trying to get the rough size at this stage because we're going to have to trim it down anyway. In fact, no, don't look. So we'll hold that there and hold that there. This is awkward. There we are, that's got it. So this is, there we are. There's going to be quite a bit of trimming going on here, so we'll just cut it bigger than that to start with. Let's get rid of that. Now that goes in behind there, like so, and just needs trimming. Well, I shouldn't have got those marks on there, so we'll clean those off first. Right, all the paint's cleaned off that, just took the tape off there, so the next thing to do is just mark it with a Sharpie. If anybody watching this can recommend a pen to use like a Sharpie but doesn't smell, because I hate the smell of these things, I would be very interested to hear them, because I'd love to get something different than this. It stinks. Okay, chop that up those lines. There's going to be quite a lot of backwards and forwards cutting going on here, and I've lost the top of my pen. Can you see it? Found it. Right, trim that up. Okay, that's looking good. Just clean that off with a file. it back. Get it welded in. Yep, just lined up there. Right, and there we are, the finished job. It needs a skim of filler over it, but it's not too bad. Right, next.